Today, we'll be putting 18 fruit trees in the ground. We got plums, peaches, and apples. And we're not gonna plant them in a monoculture style orchard. We're gonna be doing the trio method where we stagger them, similar to the Permaculture Beyond Organic documentary. If you haven't seen that, I recommend it. So let's get to it. We got this area here between our fence and driveway that leads up to our red building, the farm building. And we are going to pop a line and plant some fruit trees through here. We got us a line stretched out through here. Now we're about to go through and measure and put stakes where we want the trees to be. You got it? All right, head this way. Since we're doing increments of 3 trios, I was only able to fit 9 along here. So we're about to start digging the holes for them. And I'm considering putting 6 to 9 on this side right here after this side's done. How deep? 2 foot. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. So what we're about to do now is scoop up the piles of clay and then put scoops of compost in the holes. And then we'll plant our trees. When the trees are planted, we'll put wood chips on top of that.
Yeah.
All right, so we're about to start planting some trees. First, we got to dig the hole back out, and then we're going to stick this pipe at an angle inside the hole. It's about 5 foot long, and we're going to have it in the ground about 3 foot. And the reason for this pipe is to try to train the fruit tree's roots to grow down towards water instead of out. So what we'll do is this will be sticking up in the air, and we will put water in there. So that's the idea.
Bob.
What's that pipe? So there's a completed tree. 1 of 9. It's an apple tree. So we'll gotta get a cap to put on the end of that, and then we'll pour water from the water hose into that pipe. On to number 2.
Over here, snaky.
We got 9 trees in the ground today, calling it a wrap. Got the compost down, wood chips, and the hot wire around it to protect it from the cows. And I'm gonna flip the camera around and show it to you as I walk back to the truck. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button and like button. Thank you.